Bluey dashed into the colorful party fast, Bingo bounced beside her laughing loud, and suddenly the lights flickered bright. Muffin shouted, "Wow, could the party be magical?" Bandit grabbed Chilli's hand tight, Rusty pointed at a glowing cake ahead, Indy gasped, "It's sparkling with golden frosting, could something amazing be waiting?" From the shadows emerged a giant dancing robot huge, its lights flashed rainbow bright. Socks barked nervously pacing, Bluey whispered, "This is incredible, could they keep up?" The robot twirled around shaking the room hard, Bingo clutched her balloon high, Muffin hid behind Chilli worried, could courage make them dance along? Bandit raised a streamer ready, Rusty grabbed a glowing party horn for backup, Indy shouted, "Stay together, could teamwork join the fun?" Bluey noticed glowing patterns on the robot's chest bright. She shouted, "Hit the beats now." Bingo spun a sparkling confetti fast. Could it match the rhythm? The robot spun, lights and confetti flying everywhere. The room shook loud. Socks barked, dodging sparkling confetti. Could they survive the excitement? Bluey leapt onto a table shouting, "Join in." Rusty swung the horn keeping the beat. The robot paused confused. Could cleverness keep the rhythm alive? Suddenly the robot froze completely still, its eyes softened bright warm. Chilli whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another sparkling confetti. Could teamwork finish the dance? The patterns pulsed brighter then faded. The robot bowed its head majestic. Smoke and lights cleared revealing a glowing party crystal inside. Bluey picked it up careful proud. Could it hold magic? A hidden passage opened beneath the dance floor glowing. Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous bright. Could the next dance be even wilder? The friends danced through together brave. The party twisted into a floating sparkling realm magical. Bingo laughed amazed. Muffin twirled around happy. Could endless celebrations await? Above them, rainbow balloons circled wildly. Sparks of magic scattered across the room. Rusty shouted, "Keep dancing." Socks barked, joining the fun. Could the party guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high shining, the light spread across the room bright. Chilli smiled proud, Bandit hugged everyone close. Could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened swirling massive, glittering festive worlds beckoned ahead. Bingo shouted, "Let's go." Muffin's eyes sparkled wide. Could this be the ultimate celebration? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes brave. She shouted, "We can party anywhere together." Everyone cheered ready for the unknown. Could you dance in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, tap subscribe, and join the next epic party adventure with Bluey and friends.